So I had to buy some wheels for the CBR wrecked bike rebuild because both the wheels on that bike that I bought were completely destroyed. They were past the point of even trying to repair them with how much damage those wheels had. And so, anyways, I ended up buying some wheels off AliExpress. Some of you guys might have heard of the brand Arashi. These wheels, they look identical to the OEM CBR 600 wheels. They look the exact same. Like, it's insane. And for the price of how much this set of wheels it was hard to pass up. I mean, it was free shipping. It was like $504 for the wheel set. And I mean, I figured I'd give it a try. Like I said, it's too hard of a deal to like pass up on. They seem legit. I'm gonna do an unboxing and a first impression review on this unboxing. So we'll see how it goes. All right, let's get into it. Yeah, they look good. Yeah, they seem legit. I don't know, the finish is okay. I'll be honest, I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but it's like smooth right here, and then it kind of has like a rough texture right here, and on the like spokes or whatever you want to call these right here. You can kind of, yeah, you can see it in the camera. I thought it was gonna be like gloss like this, or smooth gloss like this for the whole wheel. I mean, they look, for how much I paid for these though, they look pretty good. They really don't look too bad at all. Yeah, they don't look too bad. The threading for the rotor bolts looks really good. I don't know if you can see that on the camera. I mean, there's a quality inspection sticker. Might not be the most, yeah, I don't know. I don't know, they look okay. They don't look too bad. Take a look at the rear wheel. Wow. Yeah, so, I mean, same thing with this wheel. It has that smooth gloss finish on the sides, even like, you know, inside the wheel. And then on the inner part of the wheel, it has that kind of textured, I don't know if the 2015 CBR 600 RR wheels are like this with the textured. I don't think they are. But yeah, I mean, they don't look bad at all. They look really, really good. The quality is honestly not too bad. It's actually a pretty good quality. That's the one thing I'm unsure about, is the texture, how it goes from smooth to textured feel. I don't like that, but it's not It's not a complete killer. Oh, there's some damage right there on the wheel already. There's some damage. That kind of sucks. I mean, they came with the wheel bearings fitted. I don't know how good these bearings are. They're probably just cheap bearings. They came with valve stems, so that's a plus, even though I'm putting 90-degree valve stems in here. But I mean, valve stems are cheap as hell. There's a inspector sticker, quality inspector sticker. I don't know. They seem okay. For $500, I still think this is a pretty good deal. We'll have to see once I put them on the bike how well they actually perform. But yeah, it's kind of a review, first impression of the Arashi wheels. If I was to buy them again, from judging right now, I would still buy them again. Yeah, they're not bad. They're really not bad at all. They look good. It's just that textured, I just don't like that. I wish it was just smooth throughout the entire wheel. The paint seems okay. But yeah, I'm gonna throw some tires on these and get these mounted on the CBR. I hope you guys enjoy the review. Hope this helps with if you guys wanna or plan on buying Arashi wheels through AliExpress. I think it's a pretty good deal. I'm not being biased or anything. I think it's seems legit. I really do. I think it seems like a decent deal. All right, see ya.